This is the 35.4-inch Bladeless ceiling fan with dimmable LED lights. This is a LED modern flush mount ceiling fan. It's got 3 different temperatures, got 6 fan speeds. Also, there's a smart app. You can control this from an app, turning it on and off and on 2-hour timers. Control the fan speeds from 1 to 6 gears. This is a really easy install if you've ever installed a fixture before inside your house, your apartment, wherever the case may be. But if not, please get a professional. So check this out. This thing right here is pretty damn awesome.